Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing in and enabling location. This syncs routes and saves preferences. Open Google Maps, type your start, then your first destination, immediately tap Add Stop to stack more places. Use the travel mode selector so you get the right times and routing. Driving differs from transit for traffic and transfers. Once your initial stops are set, make sure to name or save the route, because that makes it easy to edit and reuse later. Now optimize. You can drag stops up or down to reorder them and instantly see updated travel time and distance. This helps reduce backtracking. Use search along route to add fuel, food, or sightseeing without leaving the main plan. If you have many stops, save the sequence as a list or share it with travel partners. Export to My Maps when you need pins in a specific order. Doing this reduces wasted miles and keeps everyone coordinated. Finish by starting navigation and enabling voice directions, and download offline maps if you expect poor signal. This prevents abrupt route loss. On the road, you can add, remove, or reorder stops. Google recalculates, so use that to avoid traffic or closures. If something breaks, the route won't load or stops disappear. Clear the app cache or restart the app. Sign out and back in if syncing fails. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes missing routes or outdated data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.